The new generation Acturus submarine was officially introduced by Russia, and immediately attracted attention from the international media. Russia has presented a mock-up of the new generation Acturus submarine, with a very unusual shape. Russia's Rubin Design Bureau has presented its new project within the framework of the Army 2022 Defense Expo. The Arcturus submarine, named after the brightest star in the Northern Hemisphere. According to Naval News, most striking about the design is that it has an angled outer hull, with sloping sides and blended lines. It has a chine running all the way along the side, resembling a modern low observable aircraft. Submarines are, by their nature, stealthy. The Arcturus design takes this further than most, however, adding an angled outer hull. This matches similar ideas in other countries for deflecting incoming active sonar. This is reminiscent of the German-designed Type 212CD, which is being built for Germany and Norway, and the British Dreadnought-class ballistic missile submarine. The angled outer hull, designed against active sonar, would be accompanied by traditional passive sonar stealth. This involves mounting the machinery on rafts, to isolate sources of noise. There would also be anechoic coatings outside the pressure hull. Russian anechoic coatings are complex, and are used extensively on their submarines. The submarine has 12 missile silos. These are large enough for nuclear-armed ballistic missiles, which appears to be the primary mission. But one of the tubes is displayed with a launch and retrieval mechanism for a medium-sized autonomous underwater vehicle. This implies a multi-role capability. "12 tubes is fewer than current SSBNs, but other submarine builders are going in the same direction. As the missiles get more potent, the number required to ensure unacceptable losses for an enemy gets fewer. Additionally, the missiles are incredibly expensive to manufacture and maintain." A new feature, not seen on previous designs, is that 2 specialist oves are carried. 3 large free-flooding hangars are seen at the stern for Surrogate V oves. These companion oves are designed to operate in conjunction with the Arcturus submarine. The Surrogate V appears to be an anti-submarine warfare drone. It has a relatively large conformal sonar array, and a pump jet propulsor, suggesting high underwater speeds. Rubin has a long tradition of building impressive submarines. They designed the Typhoon class, still the largest subs ever built, and the Boreas class, which is replacing all older ballistic missile submarines, is too. So it is not surprising that their design concepts are ambitious and represent cutting-edge thinking. But the chances of Arcturus being built seem slim. The design is a company proposal rather than a sanctioned project, else it would have a project number. And the current Russian economic situation, and extensive delays in current submarine building, do not bode well for it. But the design is interesting in its own right. And it shows the direction of thinking among Russian submarine designers. There may be hints of future designs which could actually make it into the water. Russia's submarine designers will do their best to keep up with the West, on paper if not in steel.